Okay, I'm doing a video on changing out the marking lights on a 2010 Toyota Prius. The one that's in here, the one that's up here. There are easy methods, they say on the internet. This was easier. Start out, you're going to remove this bolt holding the snorkel for the air intake, this bolt, and this bolt. I've already loosened them. You're also going to pop loose this hose bracket off the body here. Easier. There's a clip you got to release. There we go. Pull that loose. And take out that bolt. That one. And that one. I've already done the project, so I'm just sharing this with you to help out. Now, bear with me while I rattle the camera around and the parts around here. Pull the snorkel part upward behind the recovery hose for your coolant. This whole assembly will come up and out of your way. Bam. Now, your bulbs. The one for this points upward from inside, and the one for the side marker points forward right beside the headlight. I found it easier just to remove everything in there. The lighting stinks here, but routine stuff for removing the light sockets. Slight turn on each piece, pull all three of them out. Don't touch the headlight with your bare fingers. Change the bulbs out, put them back in. Put everything else back in. 15 minutes, you're done. I hope this helps.